Welcome to day 7, and today's art journal prompt is memories. What's a favourite memory from this time of year? I've got this little booklet here, and I'm going to be journaling on this bit of paper, but I thought I would show you before I do that one of the things that came out of last year's creative things that we did is with my daughter. And we decorated a few little pieces of card, little Christmas decorations. So these are going in this little booklet here, and I've got a few photos. Now, I'm not going to show you those for privacy reasons, and I'm not going to show you the journaling either, but I did want to just share these little pieces here because this is one of my favourite memories, and every year I do something creative with my kids. It started when they were tiny, so I have some fantastic memories, and I still have lots of the lovely decorations that we made, and they go up on the Christmas tree every year of things that the kids make, and I just think that they are literally priceless. You can't buy decorations, can you, that are as precious as the ones that you make with your children or the ones that your children bring home. So they are so precious to me. The happiness, the memories of creating with my children is going to be one of the key things that I'm going to be writing in my day 7 memories journal entry. I wanted to show you that for you today. It's day 7. We're at the end of the first week. I hope you're doing well as well. Please let me know how you're getting on. Leave me a comment and let me know what you've been doing for the art journal prompts and how you've responded to them in your art journal. And if you haven't joined yet, you can do using the link below, and just leave me a comment and let me know how you're getting on. If you sign up, I'll be emailing you every day with the prompts, and you can, if you want to, join the community and add your own work in there if you want to. So thanks very much for joining me. It's a real quick one today. Hope you're getting on well, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care. Bye.